All right, we're giving the Straw Hats random 1v1s. Who's the strongest here that I think Frankie could beat? Probably like Brooke. You know what I'm saying? Kuma. Ooh, I would actually like to see Kuma versus Frankie now because that would be a very fun fight to see. Just heavy hitters. Dofi. You know what? Dofi and Jinbei. Oh no, I meant. You know, we're gonna switch those around next time. Chopper can fight himself. You know what? Arlong and Jinbei. That's perfect. Luffy and Kaido. You know what? Nami can fight herself. Luffy and Zoro. I think Luffy wipes Zoro, but still. Soge King versus Usopp. You know what I'm saying? Bon Clay and Robin. All right. The most interesting fights here are like, you know what I'm saying? Frankie Kuma, Soge King and Usopp. You know what I'm saying? And like, you know what I'm saying? Kaido and Luffy. But like, yeah, we've already seen that. Let me know what you think in the comments.